Alright, everybody, just so you know, this is a stock mirror. This is on the passenger side of my 98 pickup truck. I've been rebuilding it since I rolled it, and I want to take these stock mirrors off and put tow mirrors on. And honestly, stock mirrors are great, but tow mirrors would be a lot better for pulling trailers and stuff. So also, I wanted to let you guys know, this is exactly how you do it. It's the same on the driver's side as well as the passenger side for 94 to 2001 Dodge Rams that are 1500, 2500, and 1 tons. I just wanted to let you guys know that, and then I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, to get these off, the mirrors off, is you take the inner door panel off, which I've already done, and how you do that is, there's these 2 bolts. That's where the handle goes, so you take those out, and there's one up here that you take off, and then all these little holes are for the clips, and the clips they all look like this, and they just slip onto the door inner skin and then push into those holes. You could just pull them out. So when you go to, after you take the screws here off and the screw up here off, then you just pull the door out. You just can grab like the corner, put a little flat blade screwdriver to lift it, and then you pull on it and pull it all off all the way around. And then this is part of the mirror, and you unclip this, and then you take this off, and then you got 3 10mm nuts that you take off, and the mirror comes off, and then you put the new mirror on. So what I'm going to do is take the old mirror off, show you what it looks like, and then put the new mirror on and show you what it looks like. So I'm going to do that because I can't do that and hold the camera at the same time. Alright, so I got the bolts off, and what I've done is I've rolled down the window so that you can hold the mirror, and then you can just like work it off. And so now it's free even on the outside, but I gotta push this grommet through the hole so that it comes out all the way. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll put the new mirror on. So this is the old mirror in the front and the new mirror in the back. So it's kind of interesting because the new mirror is a lot bigger. It's kind of, maybe you could kind of see the difference there, but I'll put this one on, and then we will finish it up. Oh, by the way, I got these on Amazon, and I'll put a link below in case you want to pick up the same ones. Alright, so here's the new mirror. It's mounted. It comes with this plate and the bolts and everything. Then you plug it in so that you have your heat option and your power adjust. And they fold like that. And that's how they look when they're installed. They look pretty good. Anyway, like I said, I'll put a link so that you can buy them on Amazon. That's where I picked them up. And when you're done putting the mirror on, then you just put the inner door skin back on. Basically, you just press the clips into the holes, and then you put that screw and those two screws back in place, and then you're all done. I am going to do the driver's side now, and it's exactly the same as the passenger side, and I'll be all done and be able to do the next things on this awesome truck. Appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe, and definitely continue to watch the channel for more awesome projects and progress on this truck and other vehicles that I hope to be able to work on in the future. Thanks again, and be safe out there.